welcome to Quarantine Cooking with Fabienne. Today we will be making Spanish rice pudding. So what you will need for this is 1.5 cups of rice, 3 cups of water, 2 cups of milk, half a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of butter, and unfortunately I do not have lemon peel or cinnamon stick, so I'll be using normal cinnamon and lemon juice for that. So how you want to get this started is getting 3 cups of water in a saucepan and bringing that to a boil. Once boiling, add your 1.5 cups of rice, and please be careful, it is really hot, especially when I was doing it. You can see me panicking, so yeah, just be careful. And then you want to cook your rice on medium to low heat for 10 minutes. While your rice is cooking, you can add 2 cups of milk and half a cup of sugar to a saucepan over medium to low heat. What you want to do is you just want to stir this until the sugar is completely dissolved. This is me realizing I did not set a timer for your rice, so this is a reminder to you guys to please set a timer for your rice. So like I said, just stir, stir, stir. So I picked Spanish rice pudding because it is a boiling form of rice pudding. You can have a recipe where you make baked rice pudding in the oven. I prefer this method. It's slightly creamier and softer, but if you do prefer the baking method, just go find another recipe for that. Once you realize your rice is ready, just leave it in the pan in the water just while your milk is boiling. So once your milk is boiling, you want to add your 1/4 cup of butter and your drained rice. And you should be adding your cinnamon stick and lemon juice, but like I said, I did not have that. So I just added 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and little spurts of lemon juice, and it worked out fine. What you want to do now is just let it gently boil for 15 to 20 minutes. I just stirred here just to completely incorporate all the ingredients before I let it boil. So as you can tell in this video, I have been overexposed quite a couple times. This is because I am working on an iPhone and not a camera that normally just makes me not exposed. And I am currently also recording on my iPhone. Unfortunately, I do not have all the equipment I would usually have to make this video or make a video, as I am not at school. And I find that a lot of other students are also having this problem, so just bear with us. This is the best we can do. This was me figuring out I could actually lower the brightness on my phone, so I was pretty happy about that as well. This is my little taste test after my 15 minutes. Have to go in for a second one. But I actually thought it was pretty good, and I thought it was done. You can have whatever texture rice you want, but it is up to you. Now it is just plating, and here's the final product. I added a bit of cinnamon just to garnish, but it looks pretty good. My official taste test. It was a bit hot, but it was very good. I had my dad taste it, and he also enjoyed it. And yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Recipe is down in the description if you want to try it out. Bye now. Here's an extra little video of me thinking that I lost footage, but I was a little dum-dum and didn't fully check my phone, but it was still there, so no worries.